In this project, we have solved a few easy and medium queries already, and now we are moving to another medium level question. So, the question number 6 is saying marketing is planning the next quarter campaign. Tell us which product category brought in the highest revenue in the third quarter of 2025. So, let's move to the schema to understand which tables we are going to use in that query as well as columns. So we need three tables: products, order details, and orders table. So let's understand the columns we need from all these three tables. Well, from products table, we need a product category, as you know. And from order style table, we need a quantity. We'll multiply quantity with price. This will give us a total revenue for each product category. And we need orders data from orders table. So you will understand once we use it in our query. For now, let's talk about how we will join all these three tables. So first, we will join products table with order details table using product ID. Right, you can see the connection. Now we will join again order details table with orders table using order ID, and then we'll be able to get order data from orders table. So this is how we'll join these three tables. Okay, so now let's start writing the query. If you haven't subscribed the channel, please subscribe it and hit the like button. So I'm going to start with select statement, and the first thing I'm going to select is product category from products table. Right, this is the category. So I will use P as short name for products, and I will select a product category from products table. The second column we need is highest revenue. For that, we are going to use sum function, and inside sum function, we are going to multiply quantity with price. This will give us the highest revenue. So sum of order details dot quantity, OD is a short name for order details. Now multiply by, if you see in order detail table, we have quantity column, right? So OD is a short name. Multiply by products dot price. P is a short name for products. So if you see products has a price column, I'm gonna name it as highest revenue. In from clause, we are going to write is from orders table. In from clause, you can use order details table or products table as long as you join all the required tables properly. So we are selecting it from orders table, then we will join order details and products table with orders table. Well, so from orders, alias O. As you know, we are going to join orders table with order details using order ID. So join order details alias OD on orders dot order ID should be equal to order details dot order ID. Now with the products table, so join products on the common column of product ID. So join products P alias P, right? On order details dot product ID should be equal to products dot product ID. We need the highest revenue for each product category, so we are gonna use group by clause. Also, if you're using aggregate function, you have to use group by clause. So group by product data category, product category. Let's run this part to validate the output. You can see it returns product categories and their highest revenue. Now comes the important part, filtering only for the third quarter of 2025 because we need highest revenue category in the third quarter of 2025. So for that, we are going to use where clause, and inside where clause we will write as order data should fall between July 1st and September 30. That covers the quarter 3. So you can see order data in orders table. Now we will use a between keyword This will help us to select only orders between the date we mentioned. So between we are gonna use Postgres SQL supported date format. So first year 2025, then the July month 07, then hyphen 01, and keyword. Now the second data, let's copy paste it. Now we will change only month and the date, month 9 and date 30. This will cover the third quarter of 2025. If we didn't use this, we would see revenue from the entire year, which is not what marketing asks for. Let's run the query to see what it returns. Now you can see product categories and there are highest revenue in the third quarter of 2025. As you know, we need only one category with the highest revenue in the third quarter. So for that, I'm gonna use order by clause and I will order the result by highest revenue in descending order. This will ensure that we get highest revenue categories first. So let's write it. Order by highest revenue in descending order. Let's run this part to see what it returns. This will order the result by showing highest revenue products categories first. As you know, we need only one category, so we are going to limit the result to only one. This will show the highest revenue product category first in the third quarter of 2025. So limit to one. Let's run the whole query and see the output. Now you can see meat and seafood has the highest revenue in the third quarter of 2025. Our query is finally completed. If you haven't subscribed the channel, please subscribe it. See you in the next one.